Hi, Right Group friends. This is Kim Wright-Seabrel with your January update. Super excited to bring you these numbers. So first off, we have a median and average sales price. You'll see the median price at $325,000 and then average sales price $373,135. So a little bit of difference between those two. I mention these because it's important for any of those of you looking to be first-time home buyer. Oftentimes when you're in that median or average sales price, right, that's where a lot of the buyers are going to be. And so that's where the kind of stiffer competition always, I think, tends to be in the market as well, especially when you're in that median price. You'll see new listings down 7.9%. So January is slower. Not only was January slower on the whole, but it's slower than last January as well. So really a lot less new listings. And that's what we're continuing to see, is that we do not have enough listings to satisfy the buyer demand. And that is keeping our market in a very quicker pace. We're really picking up this January. We noticed on our team in general, we have a lot of buyers, a little bit of what we'd call pent-up buyer demand, buyers who could not purchase last year because of interest rates. Now interest rates are coming down and we still don't have enough housing. We are finding moving into multiple offer situations already this year. So if you are considering selling your home, I think it's going to be another kind of hot market. I don't know if it'll be quite as extreme as what we experienced over COVID, but I do expect it to be a very strong market this year. Based on what we're seeing right now. You'll see days on market 13. So in January, things did sell a little bit slower. I think you'll see February, you'll see that number speeding up. The other thing to keep in mind is that what's closing in January, right, went under contract probably like November and December. So real estate's about a 30 to 45, sometimes 60-day turnaround when things close. So I think we'll start to see as we get into February and March, those days on market shortening up a little bit. Months supply of inventory at 1.1, again, still very low, very much a seller market. Closed sales down 34.8%. So again, just a slower January compared to other Januaries we've had in the past. A little bit slower, though we are seeing that market pick up. February does tend to be the start of the spring season in Richmond, and I would say I'm seeing that for sure. And in our office, we're seeing that on the whole. And our office has, 200 plus agents, so I think that's a good representation. We do have a lot of buyers waiting. So hope this is helpful information as January gets rolling. And if you have any questions, always feel to reach out to me personally, 804-539-7524. Have a great day.